Hello everyone, this is Lews Auto in Thornburg, Virginia. Today we have UU170. This is a 2004 Chevrolet Tahoe 1500 series. It's got a beautiful 5.3 liter engine in it, an automatic trans. The mileage on it is 127,731. It's got the nice hunter green exterior to it. We'll do a walk around the vehicle, then let you listen to the engine. This is one that we're thinking about fixing up. We got a little bit of quarter damage here. Deck lid, tail light, and rear bumper. So we're going to go ahead and fix her, or at least look at fixing her up, see if it's worth the time and trouble putting into it. But whole right hand side looks beautiful on this thing. We'll come over here to the 5.3 liter engine. Just as quiet as can be. No shakes, no knocks, no squeaks. So it's a very good sounding engine here. So transmission test I'm not going to do. We got a couple control arms that are bent on the back here. Do not want to risk damage to the rear end or anything else. So we're not going to go ahead and do the drive test. We'll go ahead inside and show you some components though. Turn my radio down so you guys do not listen to a bunch of the radio static. So here goes some windows. I'm gonna leave these down also. The child safety thing there. Let's see how far this one goes. Yeah. So none of you kids can escape while driving down the road. Let's go ahead. We'll turn on our four-way hazard lights. Show you the turn signals in the mirror working, and we'll also go ahead and move these mirrors. These also look like the power folding style, so we'll go ahead and do that too as soon as we're done testing. Let's see how all that works, and let's see if we can get the power fold also. Let me see. There we go. Sorry, sometimes it takes me a second to do the power folding, but there you are. So in and out on both of them. I think they work really well. Cool. So everything works well with the mirrors there. So that's a check. I think it does auto tilt too. Let's see, put it in reverse. No, it does not do your tilts. Let's see what else we can test for you. The radio, it does have a little bit of wear on the knob. I will note that when I inventory it. But it does work really well.
World Cup, which starts later that month.
So we'll see about a CD. It says no disc in there. All right. Don't have a disc, but yeah, it does. The AM FM part works just fine, so that's always good. We got that. We'll test out the heater AC control now. Turn that on. So we'll get it down to like a cold temperature. Make sure the compressor comes on too for us. Psych too. So you can hear the compressor coming on, but it is hot. There must be no freon in the system. There might be a pump down in the lines or something. Go ahead and switch on over to a couple different other settings. But as far as the heater AC control goes, it definitely does work. I feel the difference in those two. Goes through all your mode settings and then your auto and no auto. So it looks like all that works just fine. There is a little bit of wear on the power button itself. I will note that too if I inventory it. But once again, this is something that we are planning on, trying to fix up. So if we do fix it up, you guys will not see any of these parts on inventory. But if we don't fix it up, they're all yours. So as like everything works with the seat. It does have the adjustable pedals too. So it's like those work. It does have your heated seats also. So like all that works. So all in all, a really good vehicle. It's four-wheel drive also. Just switch that on. So it's like all that works just fine. So and it's got your full wheel auto too. So great vehicle here. Again, this is going to be UU170. You guys have any questions, please call Lews Auto in Thornburg, Virginia. We'll be happy to help. It's got 127,731 on the miles. Thank you and have a good day.